back to my channel. I'm Val.
I'm Aaron.
Today we have the greatest video you will ever see on the internet.
Besides,
a pumpkin spice everything video.
I personally think that people dying with spice is better than this, but that's just my personal opinion.
If you know me, you know that I am the basicest of bitches.
I'm not.
I have had a pumpkin spice from Starbucks every day the last 4 days.
Exactly, she's a basic one.
3 days? 31, 1, 2. 4 days. So today I went to Target and I went to Walmart, Wally World, if you will, and I found pumpkin everything. I found pumpkin spiciness, and I also found things that are just kind of pumpkin-y, so I got them. Some of this stuff I've already tried, some of it I've never had. I'll let you know which one's which when I get to it. We're going to start with the cold stuff just to get it out of the way. So that means the very first thing is what originally got me into the pumpkin spice. My friend Phoebe Johnson knows if she's watching. Thank you very much. This, I got it from Starbucks, not the bottle, is the pumpkin spice latte. Latte! PSL season, guys. I'm so happy. I've already opened this and already drank some.
That's what I was trying to whisper if you didn't know my lips.
It's so good. Welcome to my life. And we're also going to try to rate these in a rating system. Our top 3 are going to be exposed. So here we go. It tastes like heaven. Just like popped into my mouth for a second and then left.
Yeah, heaven you actually stayed. Mom! It's not for you.
Oh, I love it so damn much. Oh, I never want to read that.
10 out of 10.
I'm 25 out of 10. I love it. I love it. It's going to be number 1 for me. I'm almost 100% sure. Something's really going to have to, like, slap my tongue off to beat it.
7.5.
We're going to do the cereal last just because I want all this stuff out of the way before we try it.
Alright.
So we have our milk right here. We don't want it to get too close to the fire. Next, we're going to do our moon pies. We've both already had these. Oh, was that upside down?
I cannot remember how they taste like.
Pumpkin spice moon pies. I got these at Dollar Tree.
I can't remember how they taste like because I was eating coffee for them, so
They're delicious. I really, really like them. As you can see, I know the lighting's not great, but I wanted to add to the ambiance. They're orange. Marshmallow goodness.
Yeah. You need that one on your stove.
Mm.
Look how weird that looks. Looks like weirdness. Very doughy.
It's not doughy, it's marshmallow.
No, I don't think dough and donut. I don't think in marshmallow I get a very little bit of pumpkin. No, I'll put
We set it on forever. Excuse me. This isn't pumpkin spice flavored. 10 out of 10.
3 out of 10. I hate that.
Yeah, that's why you ate one the other day, right?
Because I could taste it. I do not like that.
This is not pumpkin spice flavored. But the pumpkin peeps. Pumpkin peeps. I'm a pumpkin peep.
I don't like that, Raymond. You know, that's right.
Totally.
Everybody loves Raymond.
I can open these. I should have grabbed scissors. Your mama! Yeah! Are my scissors still out here?
Get the man.
Oh wait, my scissors are still out here.
This is why I can't have nice things.
I'm gonna stab you to death right on camera. Ow! I scissored myself.
Mercedes stabbed me in the back.
Wasn't me, I was on this side the whole time.
Yeah, I know. I don't like peeps, I'm probably not giving you this a rating. Like,
I'll take a bite and then I'll give you a bite. That way we don't waste them. Set those over there. You get little jack-o'-lantern face. He's so cute.
I like peeps. Mom! I'm gonna hit my bitch. I don't like these.
Take it back.
I'm sorry, but this is so good. I'm gonna eat it anyway. But
Tastes like a peep.
I hate it.
Mm.
0 out of 10, like I said. 0. What is it?
I give it a 2. Pumpkin spice Kit Kats, or pumpkin pie Kit Kats, sorry. I do not remember liking these. I did not think they were good last season.
I don't think I like these either. I can't remember.
But let's find out.
Let's see if they can stay in my mouth. That's what it in your cup with gum, alright?
So good with it. We'll put those in Sam when we're done.
Okay.
What it looks. That's what it looks like.
I'm trying to open it. My finger is sticky cut. There we go. Alright.
Dink it and sink
Yeah, I
it.
was about to say that.
These are perfect for dinking. Dink it.
Sink it.
Sing it.
I got better. Too pie-y. Not pumpkin-y enough. It's too pie-y.
I hate this.
2 out of 10. 2. Yeah,
I can be honest about my pumpkin. Not good.
Now I put that in the pile.
I give it like a -3. That was not good.
2 out of 10 though.
Yeah. Again, not pumpkin spice flavored. Look at your pumpkin brownie! Look, it's Little Debbie, Big Debbie's sister.
If you don't know that, it's right link perfect.
Giant Deborah. Giant
Yeah,
Deborah is her
that's
name. I don't like these as a rule.
It's actually Chase.
It is not Chase.
Yeah, it is.
Chase is Chase.
It's like this Mooshell.
Hey, we don't talk about Mooshell.
Mooshell is Chase.
We're gonna split this, okay?
Alright.
Yeah, we have leftovers, so I can get my pumpkin on all the time.
You might have a sugar high after the end of this video.
Sometimes I get 2 Trenta iced coffees with 9 pumps of pumpkin and half in one day.
9 pumps and 2 of them at the time.
Oh, we're got mad, but okay.
2 9-pump thing in Venta. That's what I just said. Oh.
I'm deaf, y'all.
Yeah.
So over there.
I'm gonna be quiet.
No,
Yeah,
that over there. That over there.
Okay, on the wrapper.
It is what it is.
I'll give it a 3 out of 10. Too munchy. You mean mushy, I mean.
This one is gonna fight.
Why?
It's a hot cocoa bomb. Pumpkin spice. But I ain't trying to heat anything up, so.
Why is it?
How would I get sick if it's freaking pumpkin spice chocolate, dude?
I don't know.
I like the box, I think it's cute.
We might keep it. Like, we could put an ornament in there or something.
Look at it! It has mini marshmallows in it. That side has lines. That side doesn't.
I'm scared to bite it. What is that?
Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm dropping it.
I can't taste
It tastes like white chocolate.
it. You have to taste the white chocolate.
Mmm. It's good though.
Yeah. This white crap.
Marshmallows. Give me the box. Mmm. Ah, Just that. Just that. Mmm.
That fell out.
Okay. Just set it down. We have more to do. I give that a 6. That was pretty good.
Yeah.
Again, something else not pumpkin flavored. Sour orange jelly pumpkin candies.
Okay.
I love like orange slices, so I'm hoping this is what this tastes like. Because if it's pumpkins and it tastes like orange slices, I'm gonna be very happy.
I'm not gonna be happy because I don't like
Little pumpkin, little pumpkin.
I'm scared to take it.
Oh, sour immediately.
Scared. Ugh. Tastes like a freaking orange.
Oh, so sour.
They're covered it all, bro. Wow. That's horrible. That's horrendous. That's horrendous. I hate that orange crap.
If it wasn't sour, I'd like it more.
It's not sour.
Ugh.
It tasted like crap.
We're gonna break away from candy and go to some cookies.
Alright.
Pumpkin Oreos!
Rate the other ones.
I just did.
You just said how good they were, not.
It was a 2.
I give that a negative 100. That was horrible. I hate that orange slices.
I already eaten a bunch of these. But I took the cream out of the cookies.
Mom! All of them?
No, not all of them. Oh, that was sour.
What is... You're a noob. You're a dog water.
Stop saying that. You're not an idiot.
I hate orange slices so much.
Alright, no, you're good.
Okay. My first 8 out of 10. 8.5 after you. It still came down my throat. It's a bit. A bit.
These are Breakfast Belvita Pumpkin Spice. Limited edition. I have right here. I personally have never had these.
I don't know either.
My sister says they're delicious. Oh, they're flat. I was expecting them to be thick.
Boy. Well, that's easy. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry.
There you go.
I think I like graham cracker. Yeah, Scooby Snap. Like, what it was like. I'm disappointed.
There's absolutely no pumpkin at all.
Exactly, where?
Or pumpkin spice, I should say. I give that a 1.
1.
My sister will be getting that box.
Is that what anything as well?
Let's put it over there. I don't like iced cupcakes. I'm just going out there to say it. So I probably won't like these. Iced pumpkin cupcakes by Hostess. Not Giant Deborah today. Should have had all this open before this, so I'm sorry. But you love me. I love you. We're a happy family.
That's all I have to say. We're a happy family.
I'm gonna feel disrespectful because I'm not gonna like this.
I'm probably not gonna like it either, but yeah.
Oh, it's so squishy. I don't want to, but here we go. Huh.
You like it?
Yep.
I admit that I
I could see where you bit it, dummy. I bit her. See what I have to do with it? 3.
Yeah, 3. I need it.
Yeah, take the rest of the cereal.
But you really
Werther's Original Pumpkin Spice. Soft caramels. I didn't like these last season either.
They're caramel.
Yep. So,
I don't like caramel either. Caramel lovers, come at us.
yeah, I'm not a caramel person. Here you go.
Oh, these.
Maybe they'll taste better this season. I like the other ones. The other ones, the Werther's Original, those are good.
I don't even know what this is supposed to.
Mm-hmm.
I think this is Mom. Oh wait, open it like this. Ew.
Ooh,
That's caramel. It smells very caramel. Do I have to?
it's pretty pumpkin-y.
Yuck. Body caramel. I hate that.
I actually like it better than I remember.
Is this part?
What's this?
Oh. 0 out of 10. 0. What do you rate it? Oh, 4? Ah, okay.
What is this?
Oh!
One of my favorite things in the history of the world.
Yeah, cookie.
No, one of my favorite things.
Oh. You love more than me?
Yes.
Wait, what? Comment down in the comment, love for
Pumpkin
Aaron.
spice Twinkies.
Love for Aaron down in the comments.
Nobody loves Aaron.
Hey! Love in the comments. Love Aaron in the comments.
This is just our rapport. I'm not really mean to him, am I?
You know what I mean? Here's evil.
I'm funny mean.
Yeah.
I don't mean any of the shit I say. I love him to death.
She calls me an anal gland half the time.
Thanks. So let's put me on blast.
You stream on Facebook and you say it.
Alright. I am so horny for the Twinkie.
Mom! You didn't say half of it. Eat 75% of it.
Mm.
Great pumpkin smell. You're like the zombie dance from Frankenstein or some crap.
Oh my
Sorry, no pumpkin. 4 out of 10. No pumpkin.
He's crazy. 35 out of 10. What are you doing with the Cheerios? Because I had these recently.
I hate Cheerios.
Pumpkin spice Cheerios.
On those Twinkies, I'm calm corporate.
Oh my god, those fucking weird. Stop saying that. You sound like a moron.
I don't like Twinkies. They're okay.
This is for Link Neal.
Just share that bowl because
We are going to.
share that bowl.
We are going to. Are you deaf?
Oh, we're separating one.
Yeah, remember we have 2 cereals to do. Huh?
You doubled it right there. Why did you turn into Michael Jackson?
You did that on purpose, you dude.
I mean, a little bit, but I didn't actually mean to do it.
Cereal overboard. Salute.
Yeah, but what are you gonna... Actually, I'm just gonna eat other board. Yeah. I hate Cheerios.
What? Oh yeah. This is the best video I've ever done. Ah shit, I forgot about the spoon. You're disgusting. That was on fucking camera, dude.
I hated that. No, this is what I didn't use.
You didn't use a spoon.
No, I slipped it. I was asleep.
Oh my lord, you promise?
Yes, I promise. I did this.
I'm a germaphobe.
I did this. What? That was horrendous. 0 out of 10.
Pumpkin spice special cake. I remember really liking this. I think 2 seasons ago. I don't think I got it last season, so I couldn't find any. Okay then, scissors it'll be.
I hated that so much. 0.
You know, I pinched.
What do you rate the cupcakes in that? So you guys rate the cupcakes.
Cupcakes I give a 1. Cheerios I give a 5. That's the sound I make when I pour things. I burp.
That looks like freaking what was Tony the Tiger cereal? What is his name? That looked like Tony the Tiger cereal, and she just killed the box.
Fell right over. They're called frosted flakes, you
I know what they're called. Frosted Flakes. That's the oh never mind. Frosted Flakes. I never actually tried them before, so.
The Frosted Flakes were good, Kellogg's. Why did you stop making it? I go around stores, and I see Tony the Tiger's stupid tiger face.
She flips them off.
I flip him off, or I punch the box.
Exactly, she flips it off.
I want my pumpkin spice frickin' Frosted Flakes. They were delicious.
Buy them on eBay.
And you took them away.
Buy them on eBay.
They're all expired, moron.
Who cares?
Do I look like I want to die?
Go ahead and link to it.
Have you seen them?
They're pretty crazy.
They're not gonna see this, but if they do, I love you guys. You're just crazy. All right, Manja, here we go.
Kindness. This is my favorite line. Kindness.
Forgive him. He knows not what he speaks.
I like that line. I remember in the Willet soup, I believe.
Mm-hmm, sugar. Right off the bat.
I think it was Willet soup, right?
Yeah. It's sugar, but it's good pumpkiny. It's not sweet, but it's pumpkiny.
It's not swallowed, but I don't like it. I don't taste any pumpkin at all.
Solid 7.
Solid 2. What's in my mouth? With weird part of the syrup.
That was just plain milk. And it was delicious.
Aww.
Okay, so
I think our highest rating was the pumpkin. Actually, no.
lemon coffee.
Where is it? Oh, down there. I think that one is your favorite.
This is number 1 for me. Let me move this down a little bit so you see better. That's number 1.
I actually think the brownie is my favorite, right?
Number 2.
I can't remember.
What would I say was number 3?
Yeah. Oh, hold on. Give me that.
Oreos are number 3.
And then for
Agree to
me,
disagree.
I agree with pumpkin spice as number 2, though. Those as no, and these as number 1. And I cannot remember which one I thought was good. I think I only got those 2 good ratings. So yeah.
My rating. First place, second place. These are basically tied. First, second, and third.
Second, first, 5th. Actually, no, last place.
Before I had these this season, I ate a whole middle section and all the innards. I had never had these before I bought these and tried them. Why is it upside down? Because I'm crazy. So for those of you who know me, you know that pumpkin spice makes me happier than most things do.
Like me.
Shut up. But yes, now we're both full because we've eaten and had snacks.
Yeah.
But we're doing this video because I needed joy.
I feel like I'm gonna
And
die.
pumpkin spice is joy.
No, it's not.
It's the same thing as joy. I don't like chocolate.
Never mind.
Yeah. But this has been the greatest thing I've ever put on YouTube in my life.
This is very fun, though.
I've heard you guys really like the taste test videos. Here's a taste test video. This is the taste test video of all.
And if you find pumpkin spice ice cream, we're just gonna do a video.
I had it one time and I did not like it. I can't remember what brand it was.
I think.
If you guys are wondering what is wiggling around behind me, I will show you before we go.
Oh, I got it.
No, leave it. You've seen the movie Trick or Treat. You know who that guy is? He's up there. My Trick or Treat lights. Forgive the pictures of the really hot guy on my thing.
He's not hot. He's a skeleton.
But, with that being said,
We almost have 100 subscribers.
Almost, guys. I'm going to remind you again. 6 more subscribers or we're going to do the Hot Ones Challenge again.
Yeah, with my cousin.
Only more extreme. With my nephew and anyone else who wants to join in the fun.
There's 9 sauces instead of 3 this time.
Well, we don't know yet. I got to wait until closer to Christmas time because they always sell them at Walmart and I want to get one. But we are going to do that if I get 6 more subscribers. Get us to 100 subscribers and I will do that for you guys.
Yeah, if you get us...
Remember, if you haven't seen the last video, I will try to figure out how to link videos in the description and I will.
Oh, I know. You just have to copy and paste.
I think so. See, this is, I'm still figuring this stuff out. Okay,
He's
guys.
a boomer.
But no, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
He's an
You don't
idiot.
even know technology.
But, yes, I do, dude. But, he's about to get grounded.
Oh, come on.
What was I saying, you jackass?
You said something about editing.
Oh, yeah. I'll put the link in the description to that video of us doing the Hot Ones Challenge before. If you haven't seen it yet, it is the funniest shit ever.
I'm gonna be scared if they put out a hotter sauce.
If you watch it in slow motion or fast motion, it's even funnier. But it's hilarious on its own.
Forever though.
It is so funny. Oh my god.
But
if I'm ever famous on YouTube, I want to make merchandise that says it's sweet until it gets angry.
yeah. That's a stretch.
Alright guys. Get us 100 subscribers. For New Year's, we will do the Hot Ones Challenge.
Yeah.
6 more subscribers. Tell your friends. Tell your wife. Tell your kids. Tell your dog. Let your dog subscribe to the channel.
Hi to kids. Hi to wife.
But that is going to be it for today.
It's a long video.
It is a pretty long video. It's going to take a while to upload. But it was a delicious video.
Also, tell us if you want to watch us play games. Because I have been trying to tell my mom to play FPS chess. If you don't know what the game is, it's basically just a freaking gun or sword game that's chess.
Sounds boring to me.
Hey,
Like my shirt?
now that movie's boring half the time.
I love him. I was going to end like that, but I'm
Come
not
at me, I don't like Chucky that much.
But
I'll play one thing.
next video is probably going to be my Q&A. I've already recorded it. Nobody asked any Qs, so I found my own online.
Yeah.
Seems like nobody wants to see it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see my Q&A, and I will upload it. The Target video that I put out today has gotten pretty decent views already, over 30, which is crazy for me in one day. But to everybody watching that video, hi, how are ya? To everybody watching this video, hi, how are ya? And I'm rambling.
Yeah, that's right. Like I said from the freaking beginning.
But yes, let me know what your favorite PSL thing is down in the comments. Let me know if you don't like PSL or pumpkin, or what's your favorite fall snack, favorite fall drink.
Don't tell her if you don't like pumpkin spice, she'll go after you.
What do you like about Halloween? What are you going as for Halloween this year? What are you going as?
I'm going as Billy Loomis / Ghostface.
Ghostface, yes. And I am either going as Esther from Orphan, Regan from The Exorcist, or Freddy Krueger.
You're going to get the jacket either way.
Let me know which one you guys think I should go as. And yes, I'm getting the sweater either way. It doesn't really matter. But that's going to be it for us. I love you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. I will have the funny ass Hot Ones Challenge video posted in the description.
Don't put it in this description, put it in the next description if you actually get the subscribers.
No, it'll be in this description, so that'll way it'll make people subscribe, dude.
Alright.
Oh my gosh, he doesn't know how this works. See my sound bonkos up there? Meh, meh, meh. I'm gonna pick Andy's nose. Okay, guys, I love you. Bye. Bye.